वेलकम टू योर चैनल ओडिशा ऑटोमेशन सॉल्यूशन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डेल्टा पीएलसी के बारे में। हाउ टू राइट पीएलसी प्रोग्राम इन डेल्टा पीएलसी। दिस इज द सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर डेल्टा पीएलसी। डबल पीएल सॉफ्ट इज द सॉफ्टवेयर, प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है। पहले ओपन करेंगे डबल पीएल सॉफ्ट। ओके, देन गो टू फाइल, न्यू, प्रोग्राम टाइटल। I am making the demo program. Okay, then model type PLC की VFD PLC, selecting PLC, then select SS, then file name start stop program. Okay, then then go to option, select set color and font of the ladder diagram. Selecting the black. Okay, then you have to place the ladder. आज पढ़ेंगे कैसे एक मोटर को ऑन करेंगे विथ लैचिंग। पहले NC नॉर्मल कॉन्टैक्ट X0 डिवाइस नंबर 0। ओके, then the stop switch, stop push button. Okay, then start push button, start push button, then output coil Y0 motor. Okay, then you have to latching motor coil Y0. Okay, okay, then you have to compile the program. This is the compile ladder to instruction. Okay, then simulator on. This is the simulator. Here you have to say simulator, then download, write to PLC. This is the download, write to PLC communication, PC to PLC. Okay, then run the program. Online mode. Here program is running, simulator also on. Then have to on the motor, how motor is running. This is the start push button. You have to press set on. Here the output is on and press push button is release. Here latching is done and motor is continuously running. We have to stop that motor. We'll press the stop push button. Set up. Okay, here is the first program, how to write a PLC program in Delta PLC. Then you have to stop. You have to simulator off. Then you have to save the program. I have done the in desktop Delta PLC. Okay, thank you.